Hi, Nelly. It's Ken Thompson, Doxon Toyota. Thank you for your interest in a new RAV4 TRD Off-Road model. This is the all-new model for 2020. Toyota just came out with it this year. And if you notice, it looks really, really amazing with the black wheels, the black trim around the wheel wells, and your black area bumper with the emblems. Looks good inside. You got your black Softex interior, heated seats, heated steering wheel, ventilated front seats, power driver's seat, automatic wipers. It's just an amazing, amazing RAV4. Look at the trim inside this, how good it looks. Take another look around the black mirror caps. Those are exclusive to the TRD model. It does come in several different colors, and I look forward to hearing back from you. Give me a call, let me know what time you want to come in and take a look at these. I'm at 253-394-0046. Again, 253-394-0046 for Ken at Doxon Toyota. Hope you're having a great day, and we'll talk to you soon. Thank you. Bye-bye.